Heyo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Potter with the Grandmaster Glass YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning back in. Before we get going, all the YouTube stuff, like, comment, subscribe, help me grow this channel. Really been enjoying these updates. Just kind of logging what's going on in my day-to-day, just checking in, just trying to document it. So today for the update, I finally finished the Alien Smoke Terp Slurper sets. I've got all the opals, all the color, all the clear. I'm going to put them in my case right here and then go and drop them off. I really don't see myself like taking this camera or taking my vlog setup and recording, dropping it off. I might use my phone and, you know, just maybe take a video or a photo of me dropping it off, shout them out. But, yeah, I just figured I'm just going to show you guys, get a nice little detailed close-up of all of the Slurper sets, and then just be done with this and off to the next project, because even though I feel good, I feel really accomplished, it's a great feeling, I know I'm on to the next thing. And as cool as these sets are and as great as I feel about them, it's on to the next thing to continue to evolve. And I'm going to get these delivered, feel real good about them, and continue to make art for you guys. So, yeah, kind of, for some people that don't know, with my glass business, half of it is like direct sales, and then I would say the other half is wholesale to shops. So, or maybe even a little bit more through shops. So I really do appreciate any time a shop takes the time to ask me for an order, because I didn't have these ready, so that he had to wait for them. The shop had to wait for them, just because they weren't ready. So the fact that I have shops willing to work with me, and not every shop is willing to work with you if you're an artist or somebody that blows glass, or really any type of things for sale. You have to have stores that are willing to work with you. But the fact that I can do these and have him be willing to wait is super, super awesome. Took me about, a week or two, about 2 weeks to get these done, start to finish. Had to order colors, order opals. So all in all, it's a really cool process, but it doesn't happen easily. It's relationships, just like any business. You have to build relationships with the shops and the customers that you do business with. And it does take a lot of work, and I'm super thankful for all the shops that I do work with. So, yeah. Alien Smokes, getting a fat order. I'll turn the camera around. And so, I know I showed off some of these colors, and I kind of have them in Roy G. Biv in a rainbow, or what rainbow there is. But I thought it was cool. I'm going to let him decide how he wants to do them. These are like my artist like notes. It tells you like kind of like how the glass reacts and how it like works. And I thought that was cool for a customer to see if they were just slightly interested. And it also says the name. So, I mean, I could print out labels, or, maybe come up with cooler packaging when I start making some more Slurper sets, if I do in the future. Kind of like how I did with the Pocospheres. If it's something that I'm going to be making enough of, I definitely am into the whole packaging unboxing experience, and to have somewhere to store your glass items that I make. But, yeah, I know I'm going to be moving on for a little bit from the Slurper sets. Obviously, if another shop reaches out to me, I'll be willing to take on another order. But, yeah, I am not actively seeking out more Slurper set orders. So, just because I have a few other orders lined up anyways. So when I revisit these, maybe I'll come up with a cool little packaging design for them. But, yeah, these just came out really fire. The opal sets, the pillars. I'd say the pillars are the most difficult thing to make out of the whole set in the opals. Just because getting the opal in the pillar and then stretching out the glass makes it for a fun challenge. So these are all tumbled opals. We've got like one or two CFL color. I think just one CFL color is Seriously, and then, yeah, just Seriously is going to be the only UV color. CFL color. So it goes from like, I think 3 colors is what it is. Let me see. Yeah. So it goes from a teal green, blue, and then bright purple. That shit's wild. Lemon drop, really love that color. But yeah, so I'm gonna put these in my case right here, and then yeah, take these over to Alien Smoke, San Antonio, Texas. So I think that's gonna probably wrap up my little update. Probably put these in the box and head out. So other than that, guys, be on the lookout for new chains hitting. Got a few orders in the works, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and remember, never stop evolving. And I thought I'd include this real quick. It's a 5-10 minute car ride from where I'm at to this shop, but yeah, just I thought these would all fit. I mean, there's about 30 of them, but I mean, just barely. They won't even move, so it's like just squishing them all in there. It's like a clown car or something. Funny. All right.